Now let's take a look at an example that is a little bit more complex, where we're actually given 3 ratios to work with. So let's have a look at, let's say, concrete mixture for a patio is made of 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, and 4 parts of blue metal. So let's say how much sand was used to make 4.2 meters cubed of concrete. Okay, so there's a lot of information there, okay? But we've got some clues here, okay? We have 1 part, 2 parts, 4 parts. Well, if you remember back, let's write all these as a ratio. So we have 1 is to 2 is to 4. That's 1 part cement, 2 parts sand is to 4 parts blue metal. Cool. Alright, so what can we do when we're given all these parts and we're trying to divide among a whole quantity, which is 4.2, because we know we have 4.2 meters cubed in the end. So we need to add all these together to find the whole amount that we're working with. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, cool. So we found our parts. Our number of parts, which is 7. So now it's asking how much sand was used to make 4.2 meters cubed. So let's look using our ratio. Which one's sand? 1 part cement, so that represents our cement. 2 parts sand. So this is our sand here. So let's get our sand, put it over the number of parts that we have, which is 7, and let's multiply it by the amount that we're sharing it between. So 4.2 pardon me, meters cubed. So that's going to equal 1.2 meters cubed. So that actually means that what we have found is, because it's asked how much sand was used to make up 4.2 meters cubed of concrete. So we've actually found out how much. We found our ratio using our ratio of sand here over our whole number of parts, and we've multiplied it by the part that the amount that we're sharing. We're actually going to have 1.2 meters cubed of sand used right here. So even though we've got a long ratio here using 3 numbers, we still just add them up to find the number of total number of parts. We take our part from our ratio, put it over the total number, multiply it by whatever we're sharing it, whatever we're trying to share, and then we'll get how much is used in total.